My name is Demers Taylor. I'm 14 years old and I'm in ninth grade, and this is my first time in WorkReady. I go to Max. It's a science and engineering school in Philadelphia. Well, when I wanted to become a teacher, so I wanted to work with kids and get a good I don't know an example of it or something like that. So I knew what I would expect, because I really technically for me I don't really care what grade I teach. Pretty much we get children each, one or two, three sometimes, where we just it's not really teaching them how to read, but we're just coaching them and to get them to really enjoy reading, so that when they go back to school they don't feel insecure about the way they read, because they're confident readers. The kids are really fun and interesting to see how different they are each time. Like when you get a new kid, or you see someone working with another kid. Like I have my brother who's here too, and he gets multiple people who don't actually speak English, and he's really working hard with that. So it's really interesting to see how different and diverse the children are. It gives me more of an insight of what the future is going to be like with schooling and work and stuff. I guess for me, I saw how bad the school system was in certain countries. Like in Philadelphia, the teachers don't really get a lot of say in what happens in the classrooms and stuff. To teach things that children should learn about with people. For me, times are changing. For me, it's just teaching children to think for themselves and to draw their own opinions, and not just follow what their parents tell them what is right and what's wrong. Yeah, meeting new people and an actual really actual work experience. I don't know why I didn't think they would give me one, even though it's called WorkReady. It's in the name. I didn't expect them to do resumes and LinkedIn actually. Like I expected to work with children more and do that, but it was also they gave us more.